If your vehicle has been damaged in an accident, you may hear your insurance company recommend one of their preferred body shops. But do you have to use it? The short answer is no. In most states, you have the right to choose the repair shop you want. So what's the difference? A DRP or Direct Repair Program shop has an agreement with an insurance company. These shops work closely with insurers throughout the repair process, which can sometimes lead to faster communication and a more streamlined claims experience. A non-DRP shop is independent and does not have a contract with the insurance company. Instead, they work directly for you, the vehicle owner. Many independent shops are highly qualified and may even specialize in your vehicle's manufacturer. Does that mean one is better than the other? Not necessarily. There are excellent DRP shops and excellent independent shops. The most important factors are the shop's reputation, experience, certifications, warranty, and the quality of its repairs. Before choosing a body shop, consider asking, are you certified to repair my vehicle? What type of parts will be used? Do you offer a warranty? How will additional damage be handled if it's discovered during repairs? Remember, an insurance company's recommendation is just that, a recommendation. You generally have the right to select the repair facility you trust. If you're unsure, take the time to research your options before authorizing repairs. At Setlist Solutions, we're here to help you understand the property damage process so you can make informed decisions after an accident.